That's great. Not rushed at all. Hey guys, it's Rose and welcome back to Cheap Lazy Vegan and another recipe video. Today we are doing a 5-minute recipe. I'm going to at least attempt to make this in 5 minutes. That means I'm actually gonna put a timer on and try to make this within the 5-minute time frame. So I'm not sure if I can actually do this, but I'm gonna try to give it a go, okay? So this recipe is going to be a spicy udon stir fry. I actually posted this recipe on Instagram a few weeks ago, and I thought it'd be a fun idea to do this video and make it a challenge to see if I can actually do it in 5 minutes. So lately I've been making lots of Asian recipes, and I think you guys know why, because my Asian vegan recipes ebook is coming out very, very soon. And next week I'm gonna be making a big announcement, so make sure you stay tuned for that. And you guys can get all of the details on the ebook. I'm so excited for you guys to see all of the Asian and Asian inspired dishes that I have in the ebook. Of course, they are 100% plant-based, so I'm super duper excited. If you guys want updates, by the way, you can also sign up to my mailing list. I will link down below where you can sign up, put your email in, and you'll get updates from me into your inbox. So that's something you could do as well. Otherwise, you can wait for the video next week. You don't want to miss next week's episode, so make sure you stay tuned, make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. Alright guys, so I'm just gonna jump straight in and try to do this in 5 minutes. Okay, let's go. Alright guys, so we are making some udon noodles. I am using these pre-cooked udon noodles, which are great because they cook very quickly. But first, I wanted to challenge myself even more by actually pan frying some tofu. We didn't start the timer! Let's start the timer. I cheated a little. Oh, how do I start it? Come on. There we go. Okay, we started the 5-minute timer, okay? I cheated just a little bit, okay? Like 10 seconds. So, I'm just gonna pan fry a little bit of tofu because you guys know me, I like to have some more protein-dense products into my meals. So, I already have a pan that's heating up. And honestly, I usually do like to cook tofu for longer than 5 minutes, but since we only have 5 minutes, it's okay. Throw that on there. And we're just gonna let that cook while we do everything else. We also have water boiling, so we're gonna throw in the udon noodles. So this should only take about 2 minutes. We're just gonna put a little timer on, 2 minutes. Now we're chopping some onion. Let's just take some onion. That's about a minute in, guys. I have 4 minutes left. A little nervous, but that's okay. All right, so we're just gonna chop a quarter of an onion. Just vertically, that's fine, that's cool, it's all good. Woo! Onion is done. We're also gonna chop some mushroom. Again, we only have 5 minutes, so we're just gonna do this very easily, okay? No need to be perfect. There we go. All right, so that's pretty much it for what we're gonna add in terms of vegetables. I mean, is mushroom a vegetable? I'm not sure. Okay, so for sauce, we're gonna keep it super simple, guys. We're using gochujang, which is red chili pepper paste. We're also gonna use some tamari, aka soy sauce. You can use tamari or soy sauce, whatever you prefer. We're just gonna add in 1 tablespoon of gochujang, which is Korean red chili pepper paste. I have a little chunk in there. Okay, we're gonna add that in there. Just gonna give my hands a little rinse. That's great. Not rushed at all. Probably only about 3 minutes left, it looks like. So we added in 1 tablespoon of gochujang, 1 tablespoon of tamari. We're gonna add in just a tiny bit of toasted sesame oil, probably about a teaspoon. We're also gonna add in half a tablespoon of mirin. So mirin is kind of like a sweet cooking ingredient from Japan. It just adds a nice flavor. You don't have to add mirin. You can add another sweetener if you like, or just omit sweeteners in general. So we're gonna take a break from the sauce. We're just gonna separate this. And I think it's gonna be done very soon. Meanwhile, let's flip these. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna try to do this. Woo! Oh God, can I do this, guys? Can I do this? I'm not sure. Ah! Nope. You know what? The heat was pretty strong, so I think the tofu is gonna be done. Let me just, you know, I probably shouldn't be using metal on a pan, but you know what? That's okay. Oop. Oh my god, I don't know what time. What time is it? Ah! What's the time? It's, oh my god, I have less than 1 minute. Okay guys. Mix together the sauce. Then, try to get all of those kind of thick pieces, what am I saying? Try to thin out the sauce is what I'm trying to say. I have a minute left, guys. Can I do this? Let's add this in. I don't know if this is gonna be cooked in a minute. I should have put this in sooner. Fantastic. Turn this heat up. So I probably should have taken out the tofu first and then added the vegetables in. But I failed. Udon is done. People, udon is done. Let's do that. Drain it out. You don't need to rinse it because we're gonna eat it cold. We're gonna eat it hot. So we're just gonna leave that. Kind of want some of that starch in there as well, okay? Oh Lord. Not sure if I can finish this. I have 30 seconds, people. The only problem is that I should have added in the mushroom and onion a little bit sooner. And then I would have been able to finish everything very quickly. I have 11 seconds. I'm not sure if this is gonna happen. Let's add in the udon. Alright, time is up. But we're gonna keep going. It's not beeping, but is it supposed to be beeping? Time is up. We're gonna keep going. Let's just keep going. We got onions flying everywhere. So I'm gonna do that a little. Splash more water. Whoop. I'm sad that I didn't make the time. But that's okay. Doesn't this look delicious still? Okay, well, I'm gonna add in a bit of green onion into on the top, because green onion is fantastic. So I think the only mistake I made was that I should have just added in the mushrooms and onions a little bit beforehand, and it would have been finished. Let's find a little plate. Guys, I failed. Oh, this is heavy. This pan is heavy. Ooh. I'm gonna call this the 6-minute udon stir fry. 6 minutes. All right, so. I mean, you can pretty much just enjoy it like that, but let's do a little bit more fancy stuff. Garnish. Green onion. Oh, I mean, I love that contrast of green and red. I think it's fantastic. We're also gonna add some sesame, what do you call this? Sesame seeds. And there you have it, guys. 6-minute dish. 6-minute udon noodle stir fry. I could have made it in 5 minutes. I promise if I had done the mushrooms and onions sooner, I should have done that, but I wasn't thinking, what can I say? So that's it. You can click the link down below if you guys are interested in the recipe, but that is a super quick dish. I mean, come on, I made it in 6 minutes or 5 minutes if I had done things properly. So. All right, so here is the stir fry that I almost made in 5 minutes. Let's see how it tastes. Hopefully it's delicious and everything I've ever dreamt of. Mushroom. Tofu. Udon noodles are the best. I mean, they're so chewy, they're delicious. This has a nice kick because it's spicy. Nice kick because it's spicy, yes. We added that gochujang in there, so it makes it nice and spicy. The udon noodles are so chewy and delicious. And oh my god, it's everything I've ever dreamt of. I have sauce all over my face, but I'll just hold this while I say goodbye. Okay. Woo! Guys, that was my attempted 5-minute challenge of making this udon noodle dish. I think I did pretty well. Okay. If I didn't mess up, I would have made this in 5 minutes, I promise you. But I messed up a little bit. I kind of got confused. And I made this in about probably 6 minutes. So please forgive me. Okay. If you guys like these kind of 5-minute challenges, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. And let me know down below if you want to see more of these challenges. And of course, if you guys are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. Next week is my video where I announce my big ebook situation, okay? So if you guys want all the details about my Asian vegan recipes ebook, don't forget to tune into next week's video. And of course, don't forget to sign up for that mailing list. I can never say that word, mailing list. I don't know why I can't say it. Anyways, don't forget to tune in to my video next week. Oh my God, I'm just rambling, but I have some delicious food in front of me, so. Anyways, guys, that was my recipe video. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!